Hello everyone. I'm showing you the common step, just overview for a simple project. To have a web application, web automation using Playwright, Cucumber, TypeScript running on Jenkins CI/CD pipeline that installed in a Docker container. What you need is to have a Node.js, a Playwright, Cucumber, Allo, CLI, and TypeScript installed in your local machine, and your automation is already integrated with Cucumber, and the alert report is also to be configured. Uh, Let me show you my project at my local. So it's just a simple web automation using Cucumber. That to task only, and might notice the packaging here. They have a the dependency that installed from my side. I look here, Cucumber, Playwright, there's no for TypeScript and TypeScript. Uh, One another important thing that you need to define the Jenkins file that is necessary for you to have the Jenkins pipeline. That is a very simple way. You should define the by declarative syntax for your pipeline. For example, you have agent, tools, environment, and especially for states. This is a very important content in the Jenkins file. Uh, it will go step by step for the your needed. For example, you need to check out your code from the Git repository and install the necessary dependency. And the next step is to run the automation test. In my case, I run the Cucumber test, so I need to use the Cucumber run test command here by npx cucumber.js. And the next step, after the test run completely, you need to generate the alert report and archive the alert report and make it viewable in the Jenkins uh, by stay public alert report here. And the very important action is the post block. You need to do some stuff for public HTML, or maybe send the report to the Slack channel if you want, or send the reports via email. Uh, the next Okay, now you have the automation ready from your local. What you need to do is to install the Docker desktop. From my side, I already installed it. You can see that I have two containers here. The container is kind of the server let you to install the necessary application, and it will help you to have a consistent environment to build the app. Um, so what in our case, what we need to do is prepare some application need to install. I specify in the Docker file. I'm showing you the contents. This necessary application for example Node.js, Jenkins, uh, Playwright. Uh, yeah. I miss one for Allo script, and you need to have a plugin safety. This is specific for Jenkins because Jenkins CI/CD require lots of plugins. And for another tool CI/CD, for example, GitLab CI, you might don't need to have plugins. Okay, so after you have a two file, you can run the command to create the containers that have necessary application. Uh, from my side, when I have a container ready, I need to set the Jenkins this page. And if you do this the first time, it will require you to install Jenkins from beginning. And it's only show you when you install plugin, the suggestion list and the list check by yourself. But don't worry, after the installation complete, the list of Jenkins plugin will be installed in the container. This one, yeah, I mean this list will be automatically installed, and you can find it the available plugin Jenkins list. So don't worry. And here I'm showing you the dashboard Jenkins, and I created the pipeline. This is already configured with the Jenkins file and connect to the Git repository and credential. You need to pay attention to the credential here. It requires some other setup from manage Jenkins from plugin. Uh, sorry, manage Jenkins from credential. Yeah, I created one here, so I just use it. I'm showing you the detail. Here is require you to enter private key. Yeah, from my side, AU RSA key and paste the private key directly here. So you back to the pipeline. Also, this is the latest job, and you can check the detail stuff in the console log. This is contain all the detailed information from checkout repository, install the dependency, publish the HTML, or even if you need to send the report via email or Slack, you can reply in the Jenkins file as well. So I will show you the other report after it's created. And by Jenkins job is viewable in Jenkins. I remember you need to install something that I just forgot. This is my reports content to simple test case. And this is a set from Jenkins side. Yes. Okay, so you may have some problem during config the Jenkins in the Docker file, or some problem with dependency. For example, a Lucia missing, you can install directly in the container and restart the Jenkins. And another thing with GitHub is not added to no host list. You can do this by run the command to add GitHub to the no host, even if in the local machine and the container as well. And some ADH Asian plugin is not found. This is Jenkins issue. You need to install this plugin as well. Uh, you might confuse with SSH Asian, but this is another plugin. You can search directly over the internet and it will show you the command how to install in the Jenkins. And another is missing a report a tool in the Jenkins file. I'm showing you here. I already add the tool block with the ALO specific version. And the last issue I found from my side is Chromium executable not found. This happened when Playwright is updated. It's kind of you have uh, Chromium executable in older version as the local, but when the Playwright is updated, it will look for another version, so it will not found the latest Chromium. So you can just reinstall again, so it will download to your local the Chromium latest version. So yeah, I hope this can help you something. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.